Hello, hi everyone. So today we are going to solve the second order derivatives. So first question is we have let y is equal to x power 10. This question, first question, okay. So now dy by dx is equal to what? 10 x power 9, correct? Now double differentiation, second derivatives, correct? Then 10 into 9 and x power 9 minus 1. So which is equal to 90 and x power 8. Correct. So we can write double derivatives of x power 10 is equal to 90 x power 8. Okay. So this is clear, right? There is no problem, no objection, correct? So now another one will do. This is log x, correct? So we let second number y is equal to log x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x, which can be written x power minus 1. So second derivatives minus 1 and x minus 1 minus 1. So this is nothing but minus x minus 2, correct? So double differentiation, or we can say second derivatives of log x is equal to minus 1 by x to the power 2, like this, correct? So this can be also written like this, right? Minus 1 over 2, correct? So hope this is clear. Okay, now we will solve the third one. So we have tan inverse x, correct? So let y is equal to tan inverse x, correct? Now differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to what? 1 plus 1 by this, 1 by 1 plus x square, correct? This is the differentiation of tan inverse x. There is no problem, right? Now this can be written 1 plus x square like this to the power minus 1. So second derivatives, this is minus 1, 1 plus x minus 1, then minus 1, this is x square, right? And here for the x square 2x, correct? So it is nothing but minus 2x and 1 plus x square, correct? So here this can be written also tan inverse x. Second derivatives of tan inverse x is equal to minus 2x 1 plus x square cos square, correct? So I hope there is no problem, all okay, right? So basically you should remember the formula. What formula? What is the first derivatives of tan inverse x? Or we can ask what is the differentiation of tan inverse x? So 1 by 1 plus x. Then based on the formula you can get the second derivatives also. Okay, so here this is x square, right? Okay, so we'll erase this, we'll do that another problem. Another problem, what we can do? We can do this one. If y is equal to x to the power 4, correct, plus cot x. Then find double second derivatives or double differentiation. Okay, so this is very easy, we can do that. So dy by dx is equal to what? This is a 4x power 3, right? For cot x, what is the formula? Minus cosec square x, correct? Now we'll do that second time differentiation, or we can say second order of derivatives. Okay, so this will be 12x square. For this 2 cosec x, and for the cosec x what will be? We can write here. For the cosec x, what is the formula? Minus cosec x and cot x. So it is 12x square minus this minus will become plus, right? And this is cosec 2 cosec square x cot x, correct? So this is your answer. So we can also write properly, correct? So this x power 4 plus cot x, right, is equal to 12x square plus 2 cosec square x cot x, correct? So I hope this is okay, no issue, no confusion, correct? So we will wrap this. We'll do some other problem. So another problem, what we can do? We can do if y is equal to e to the power 4x, correct, and here sin x also, then find double differentiation, correct? Okay, so this is also second derivatives problem. Okay, so I hope there is no confusion. Okay, so now we'll do that first time differentiation of this. Okay, so here product rule will be applied, correct? So product rule means e to power 4x बाहर रहेगा, इसका sin x का डिफरेंशिएशन, करेक्ट, एंड हियर sin x बाहर और इसका 4x dx, right? So differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x, then e to power 4x cos x, and here plus 4e 4x, correct, and here sin x. So here what common we got? E to power 4x common we got here, cos x, and here plus sin x, correct? So this is okay, right? Now what we'll do? We'll do that second time differentiation. Okay, then this is like this, correct? Now this is again product rule, correct? So if we take this out and we'll do the differentiation here, for cos minus sin x, right, and for sin x plus cos x, correct, right? Now then plus this cos x plus 4 sin x and here for this 4e 4x, correct? So if you see that final answer is this, but we can write properly e to the power 4x sin x, correct? And here dx square is equal to, again here also if you see, right, so this e to the power 4x is common, so we can take e to the power 4x common, right? And here this is minus sin x, here 4 cos x, correct? And here this 4 will be multiplied, correct? Then 4 will be multiplied means 4 cos x plus 16 sin x, right? So here this 4 cos x become 8 cos x, and here 16, and this is 15, correct? So this can be written e to the power 4x, and this can be written like 8 cos x and plus 15 sin x, right? So this is your answer. Got it? This is your final answer for this problem. So I hope there is no confusion, no doubt, right? Now what we'll do? We'll do another problem. Okay, let's solve this one. If y is equal to sin log x, then find correct. So here this is okay. So first time derivatives, okay, 4d sin log x, correct? Here then it will be cos log x, and log x क्या होगा 1 by x, correct? So this is one time derivatives. Now second time derivatives. This is product rule, okay? So 1 by x, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं तो क्या होगा, cos का क्या होगा माइनस sin log x, करेक्ट है? और log x से क्या हो जाएगा 1 by x, करेक्ट? Now we'll do 1 by x, करेक्ट है? तो cos log x से इसका होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा 1, तो x का कितना पावर है, इट इज लाइक -1, करेक्ट है? सो -1 and x power -1, करेक्ट है? सो इट इज समथिंग लाइक दैट 1 by x and 1 by x, and this is minus, right? So we can write minus here, okay? So here this is sin x log x by x, correct? This term is okay, simplified. Now into this term, this is also minus, so minus we can write here, and here cos log x, right? And here x power 2, correct? So again we can simplify, this is also x square, right, here. So we can write like this, and this minus we can take common, so minus, this is like this, and here sin x log x minus cos log x. Right? Any doubt? Any confusion? If you have any doubt, any confusion, you can send comment. Okay? So this is okay. Right? So first time derivatives is for the this one. Okay, this is log का क्या होगा 1 by x sin का cos. Correct. Now second time differentiation. This is into the product rule. Cos का इतना cos क्या हो जाएगा minus में आ जाएगा minus, right? And here for the x again 1 by x करेंगे यहाँ पे तो 1 by x का कितना हो जाएगा 1 by x is nothing but u x power minus 1. Correct. So like this, and then this is okay. So this is, and here if it this minus, if we had taken common, right, then it will be plus. Okay, it will not be minus because if you multiply here also become minus again. Okay, so watch properly and learn properly and do remember the formula. Okay, which is very much necessary. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.